Now let's count the opened orders. Why? The idea is to have no more than one opened buy order, buy stop order, or one opened sell stop order. We'll do this with the help of Google. A couple months back, I found this in the MQL5 forum. It's pretty efficient and tidy function. We will use it and change it a little bit because this is for opened positions. We'll probably need that later as well, but now we need to count the orders only. So how can we do this? We have to change everything to orders. I need to tidy a little bit before that. Okay, this will be orders total. Order ticket instead of position ticket. Order get ticket. There we go. We change every place we see position ticket with order ticket. Okay. Then oops. So position select by ticket should be like this. We're creating a long variable called magic. Because of this, we need to make an input variable as integer called magic as well, which will be the magic number of our EA. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the 5 as well. Okay. And include it in the on init function using the trait class. Set. Yep. This is it. And now every position that our EA tries to open will have this magic number right here. Okay, let's continue. Order get integer. Here we place our magic number. Okay. So let's read this. We're taking we're counting all the orders and creating a variable called order ticket, which will hold the ticket of the specific order. If we don't find it, we return false and we have a print failed to get ticket. Okay, Then we get if the order we found does not match the magic of the EA we are creating, again we get an error print. And if it matches, then we have to look at the order type, which will happen in the following way. Order, there it is. Okay. Here we will check for order type buy stop and sell stop afterwards. We can do limit orders as well, because later in this YouTube series we will place limit orders as well, so we can count them as well in this manner. Order type limit, buy limit, yep, sell limit, yep. And let's be careful here. Count buy stop, count sell stop. Also count buy limit and count sell limit. Stop. Okay, seems ready. Okay, we missed something. Oops. Okay. Stop. Stop. Okay. More. Ah, yep, we're fine. Okay, let's now create those variables in our global scope. They will be called count by stop, count sell stop, count by limit, and count sell limit. Okay. Now let's check if that works. We should include this function in our onTick function. Let's say right here. Count open positions. Yep. So first count buy stop, then count sell stop, then count buy limit and sell limit. Sell limit. There you go. Okay, and then we should check for those. After we count them, we should check here before we open a trade if we have already some opened buy or sell stop positions. So if count, oops, count buy stop is less or equal to 1, open a new buy stop order, and if count sell stop is less or equal to 1, open and sell stop order. Is that right? Okay. Let's check now what the result of our work is. We should see no more than one buy order and sell order. Nope, we did a mistake somewhere. Let's check our code. First check these two orders. Okay. Then instead of hard coding it to 1, we can create another input integer, which is called max num orders. Okay. Interesting. Where we did we mess up? Yeah, we actually didn't mess up because it's opening. Yeah, it's opening a second order. Why? Because of this equal sign right here. Yeah. So it opens an order, then let's say buy stop order, then count buy stop is equal to 1. And because it's equal to 1, it can still get into that if statement because it's true. Count buy stop is equal to 1 and open a second one. So let's just remove this from here and start it again. Yeah, now it works. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, I'm stopping the video right here and we'll continue in the next one.